Definitely want to sell the rallies.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Predicto, is the market going to go up today?
It has been determined so.
Selling rallies, like I said. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to go get some coffee.
Yeah.
Damn it. I think I'm going to put a micro on short.
Just let one go.
Yeah, and just add into it. Yeah, I'm going to do that.
I think I'm on board with that.
Yeah, I'm going to do it. All right, I'll be back in a bit.
The wrong ATM. What's going on here? All right, having some issues here. At least I'm having them early. You know what? Let's close it all down. Restart my ninja here. All right. All right. Something's going on, my ninja. Something's going on with chart trader. Let's do this. Let's install. Anybody in here have affordable indicators? Joel's chart trader. Having any issues with it? I just noticed their website's offline. I'm not going to take a chance. Anybody in here? No?
All right.
Do you have any issues with your chart trader?
I haven't used it today.
Well, I noticed Joel's website's offline. So I'm
Looks like it's
hoping
working.
he's not having it. I'm getting some kind of error every time I try to push a trade. What time is it?
Well,
We
turn
run
it
out of
off.
time. I want to remove it and reinstall it, see if that has anything to do with it.
His website's offline?
Yeah.
Wow. That's odd for him. That is odd.
All right. Let's hope this works.
Let's see if we get a rally here to sell. Time is it? It's 9:23. Or maybe we wait till after the open. Maybe this is a pre-open rally to get some of the other people short.
Oh, I'm sure they're going to pop it up to get some people short. Let me step away 2 seconds. Be right back. Get this fixed.
All right. Here we go. Let's do this.
All right. See what happens.
Oh, I gotta do this. Find a slide. What do I have? Those. Out here. Take it off to the moon.
Yeah. Figured they'd do that. Figured they'd wait till the open, but I guess they're going to take it up there now.
Okay. I think it's probably time to start thinking about getting a contract on here, huh?
Yeah.
I like this area for the ES and NQ. For a good shortest maximus. Yeah, I do like the area. I do. Yeah, I do like this area on the ES. There's a level here somewhere. I just haven't quite put my finger on it. I think it's right around here. Around 496 on the ES. There should be a level. Should be. Somewhere around here on the NQ as well. Right around this 660 area. Was that high there? Yeah, 57. And somewhere around 660 is a level on the NQ. I think if the setup happens, I'm gonna take a shot at it.
Okay. See what Dan says here. It's a good day to exercise caution. Stocks and both
What?
moving down since last night. Usually the move is opposite direction. This. I know Trump came out and said that they're extending the deadline through April for Iran, and I know that had an effect on the market because that's about when it started dumping. It's funny how Trump will come up and say, "We're about to sign a ceasefire," and then Iran says, "We're not signing anything."
We're not signing shit.
Trump just says what he wants. We're gonna, they're surrendering. No, we're not.
This is a short signal.
It is.
Let's give it a second longer. What time is it? We're sitting on top of the open now. If it were just a few minutes earlier, I'd say maybe yes, but sitting on top of the open. Don't want to play that game.
They got to pull back some. I mean, this is a big drop. They've been going since 1:30, 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock this morning. It's going straight down. So we'll see. I expect an upward movement, but we'll see.
Well, again, we'll get some kind of rally, and then
A little bit of relief.
They'll start selling
Well,
again.
Thing is, we're actually getting the rally right now. So, do we sell it here or do we wait till the open and see if it pops up higher? Pops back up
Here we
to.
go.
Well, opens in 1 minute, anyways.
1 minute. It's probably just a classic. Get everybody thinking long, and then rip the rug out from under them.
Yep. Or like you said, they're trying to get their buddies in. So.
Well, I think those two are achieved at the same time. We'll see here in just a second. Just 10 seconds. 10 seconds till the big show. Do you know where your ticks are? Hold on to your hats and your small children and babies.
Go.
Yeah. This is the level. I told you I had a level up here for both of these guys.
See what happens here.
Here's your short coming up. Big tick chart says get in this puppy.
You want to take this? Huh?
No.
I was gonna say.
I'm just telling you what the
Like, I
big
want
tick
to go
chart
up a little bit.
it says to get in it. I mean, I can't. Maybe 2 contracts. It just I just don't like. I don't like the structure on the smaller tick chart. I don't quite feel 100% obligated to this baby yet. But it says to do it. Ugh. ES is working its way down. NK. I mean, you could probably get it on NQ. It's
Break
gonna-
it.
NQ
Yeah, I was
break
gonna say
down.
break it this low.
NQ's about to break down. If you got the
At 29.
kahunas to do it. Yeah, you probably
If
should
you're
get in
kahuna'd
now.
up.
What'd you say?
I said, yeah, if you got the kahunas to do it, kahuna it up.
Yeah.
NQ, ES is going down. That does give you a little bit of confidence.
Confidence on that NQ trade, yes.
Mm-hmm.
It'll work to.
All right.
Do two micros. Let's do 2 micros. I couldn't get the count fast enough on the other chart. I almost did 2 micros. Shoot.
Missed it.
Shoot, boo. The potatoes.
Missed it.
Potatoes. All
Yeah,
potatoes.
that's the long. I mean, it's the short. Excuse me.
And the short.
That's it. Yeah. That's all she wrote.
My goodness. All right. Well, my scaling in worked out fancifully. Now I've got down to 1 contract, and I got a decent good. Oh, there you go. I'm flat now. Flat ski. All right. All right. Let me try to figure out how to get into this ES here, and how to get into this NQ again. Maybe I switch to the MES and put a micro on below the low there, because it's going down, baby. It's going down. Down, down, baby. Light it up, take a puff, pass it to me now. NQ quite didn't make a new low, so I think we got a little bit more opportunity to get this done.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. 6C is a good short right now. CL might be looking for a long. Just need to give me a little bit of a rally or something. Yes, NQ, I can sell a rally. RTY is making a triple bottom.
Got a buy signal on the yes, but oof.
It is kind of looking like one, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We can nah.
I'm with you on that. No.
What is that high there? That's
I wouldn't discount a
81.
breakout low if this thing fails here on the yes, because the NQ is definitely going down.
Oh man, yeah. Well, the ES already made its move. The NQ's just gotta follow. Yeah, I think we got to think about shorting the low. I mean, dailies have already broken out. We got to get in the short somehow. Just freaking do what I did last
See
time.
what happens here.
Get one on.
There we go.
Yeah, we got to.
There we go.
Somehow, some way. Keep
Go,
coming up
baby.
with this
All right.
funky stuff like every single day. There. Give me just a teensiest bit of a rally. Did you get in?
I did. I jumped in.
Maybe I'll
Break
put
of
a
that
stop
low.
line here.
I jumped in break of that low on NQ.
Why am I being hesitant? These are micros. Come on.
Yeah, I'm only jumping in with 2 micros. I'm not even trading anything worth talking about.
Go on. Go and get on down there. Here we go. All right, take my target, boo. There we go, target off. And move that puppy down and do a little picture here. This is show and tell time. He did a good job. Winning trades. I don't know how many trades I have to actually put into this chat for people to be like, oh, this guy actually knows what the hell he's doing.
Keep putting them in there till they decide that it's not luck.
It's only like 7 or 8 a day. So, I don't know what else to tell you.
All right, I'm gonna do some micros here. Go down to
I got to do it again.
509.
The stop was too tight on that one.
Yeah, I'm just looking for.
Get a little rally. Here's my rally. Here's my tiny baby rally that we're going to sell. Give me a good setup. But I'll do this one at 6. Those 6 micros. Oh man, that's not pretty. Come on, give me something cleaner than that. I guess we have to put another sell stop down there, don't we?
I'm short again. Took me that little pullback. I just jumped in. I'm gonna try and hold this down to at least, I got a target down around 508, so see if I can get down there. And I'll probably just add if it bounces up.
Yeah, that's what I
I'm
think
gonna
I'm
do
gonna
what, I'm gonna do what you were talking about yesterday. I think today's the day for it.
Yeah, we today. Yesterday was a good day for it too.
Mm-hmm.
Today, I mean, I think if you know a good direction, any day's a good day for it. I was putting a bidet in and started making a bunch of bidet jokes, like bidet junior. Today's a good bidet.
Today's a good day.
Maybe not bidet, but tomorrow.
Let's see here. Oh, it's going up now.
All right, this is maybe the rally I was looking for. These are not the droids you're looking for. This might be the rally I'm looking for. Let's see. I'm gonna put this on. We can probably do this one okay, I think.
We got, let me see. No news today, right? Nah, 10 a.m. revised consumer sentiment. What is that? What's revised consumer sentiment?
A revision of consumer sentiment.
Of consumer sentiment? I don't guess that'll do anything, will it?
I don't guess. I mean,
Bunch of Fed speakers.
if we're
No,
guessing,
nothing. Nothing. Okay.
if we're guessing, then no, I don't guess. Okay, this might be setting up here for a short. Let's see. Yep.
Come on up to that.
Let's see here. It looks like it's losing a little bit of steam. I think this might be getting close, getting baked here for a short. Just a second longer.
Getting the short on the small tick chart, but I hadn't quite set up yet on the big tick chart.
I'm gonna wait just a second longer.
Yeah, me too. That's what I'm
I
thinking.
can see a little bit of a shelf or structure here. Let's come up and push back down with a wick on top. That'd be fancy. Well, that's trying to. Oh. It'd have to go in under what's that low there? It'd have to go in under 475.50. So 475.25 would have to be the entry. Let's think about that. And I wouldn't be opposed. Oh,
Going long.
as it stays there. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just keep my mouth shut here. And there's that wick on top that I was talking about. It keeps it. Oh, here we go.
The short here, is it a short? What do you think? Setting up? Yes?
Well, I've been saying the setup was there.
No? Saying it? Do you want to take it? Do we want to wait? Got overbought stochastics. It looks good on the big tick chart. Little tick chart doesn't look good though. Oh,
Let's see. Sure does kind of say to do it, doesn't it?
yeah, freaking things.
It's kind of, just kind of chop suey now, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of settled into
Building,
crappy,
building some pressure.
craptacular.
Well, the original short was a short there. The one at 9:30. I should have gotten us both into that. That was on me. I knew that was going to happen too after that little rally, and I just didn't. Should have pulled the trigger on it. That was the one to pull the trigger on too. Um, Trump's considering deploying 10,000 more troops to the Middle East.
Okay.
10,000.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
All right. Well,
Let's see if we might be thinking about getting one up here or doing what Dan said. Exercise caution. Let's see here. This is actually where it should go. Oh man. Okay. Well, never mind. We're not gonna be shorting hands for a minute. Needs to happen
gotta
up there
wait.
though. Needs to happen somewhere up in this area.
Like you break a 664 up to the long side, or
Well, this is where it should short again from, somewhere up in here. If it breaks above this, then we've got to go long. Oh yeah, no, there's market saying. Market was upset last night. War. This morning it's like, oh no, everything's fine again. No, well, look, everything's fine. Don't know what you're talking
We
about.
are in
Who's at war?
crazy times.
We're getting some wicks on top here. Now I'm getting a little more comfortable looking at a short now.
Okay.
I
We are getting some wicks for
I
sure.
think
Right off the 89, overbought. Still cast. I like it. A lot of yeses.
there's a ton of yeses on
But
that
it,
one,
it
huh?
would have to be what, below 86 and a quarter, or would you take it right up here at 8 for 88?
I was thinking 87, 75. Okay, well, never
Yeah,
mind.
you're not going to
Sorry,
get that.
yeah,
It's like, yep, you're not going to get that.
it's okay.
Forget it.
That's okay.
Just forget it.
Mm. Okay, well, let's see what happens here. Should have just went ahead and grabbed a couple contracts long while this rally was going on, and then waited for the short. That would have been the easier thing to do instead of fighting it and waiting. Could just taken a couple contracts long and let it get exhausted on the rally, which is we're probably close to exhaustion on the rally here. I would think. There's a short that's going to come out of here. I don't still don't know
Coming
what it's going to
now.
be, everybody. Like right now, yeah, like right now.
Right as you said it.
That's my first day on the job.
Yeah, like I said, you get lucky every now and then.
Yeah, I mean, like maybe once or twice a day, or 7 or 8 times a day, or 12 times a day.
As long as everybody knows it's luck.
Hey, it's pure luck.
Just luck.
I don't claim to be some kind of guru. I claim to use Mr. Predicto. Oh, do I want to put a contract? Got to put
Oof.
something. Yeah,
Woofy,
damn it! I should have
woofy.
gotten in that micros.
Right off that, yeah.
Should have gotten into micros. That was exactly the play I wanted to. Sugar britches. Dang. Well, dang it. That was my play right there, man. Yeah. That's sickening.
Hello. Go without us.
Sickening, sickening, sickening.
Go without us. But in our defense, the big tick really didn't set up cleanly.
Oh, it was
But it
decent.
was right off the
It was
89
decent. I
on
mean,
the.
we
It
could,
was,
you could
yeah.
still take that
Yeah.
below 87,
Yeah,
87.75.
Yeah, you're right.
87.75 was still the entry on that one. I just didn't get my stupid ass, so she got in right at 87.75. Man. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, let's see here. Let me try to get.
Wow.
And then.
How that was
Well,
it. That was,
I did what I said I was going to do today. I layered in all the way up to there. I was 4 deep. Now I'm 1 deep with a nice little stop. So I had 4 contracts. I got all my targets off here just so the AI can figure that one out. And I got targets off. I layered in all the way up to. I started down here, and I layered in here, and I got another one up here, and then took 3 targets on the way down. So this is a nice, really nice micro play here for about $500. Maybe it'll be a little less of that when it turns out. So really nice little microplay. Did not let anybody. Now I did have some pucker factor on it. That's for sure. But I didn't let anybody sway my thought process. I'm not talking about you, Paul. I'm just saying. I'm saying what I'm saying is knew we had to short this, and I put it in my plan. I even said this 9:30 high is, did I not? The where we came from at 9:30 is the swing high that is my switch my thought process. As long as it doesn't go above that, got to stay short. You did it. I did it, man. That's what I did. All right. I think that's okay, right? That's not horrible. I got lucky again.
I need to get in here somewhere, but
I got lucky again. That's all. All right. Now I don't know if I even freaking need a target on this thing. Get me. Need to. I should have targeted a little bit better. I got my targets too fast. I should have kept one, couple down here. Oh well.
all right.
Let's switch this to that account and get that on a different screen. Get ready for another trade in another account. You guys on that one, and let me put this puppy down here and get ready for another trade. What account do I want to use for this one? Oh man, I forgot. Shoot. Oh, I had the wrong little account group for my stuff there. Oh well. I'm gonna switch this one too now. As soon as it takes me flat, I'm gonna switch that to a different account and make sure this one's on the right account now. Try to get me something in here. What account do I need to use? Use that one. Yeah, any of that. Okay, that'll work. And did we just get in here?
It looks like we almost have
I
to,
got
right?
it. Kind of think about that now, don't we?
Yeah. Wow. I was just waiting for that break and whew, gone. Came back up, touched it, and broke down. I wasn't quick enough to catch it. All right.
Okay.
All
Let me
right.
figure out a way to get into this.
I think we let this pop, if it pops back up to that previous swing up there, the breakout, just short it.
Yeah.
Or just freaking short it right here because it's like, I think this is just going to keep going.
I don't have anything really below this that should be holding it up recently. I mean, it's been a while back since we've been to these levels.
Yeah, shit.
Okay,
I can't sell the low here. I just can't. Got to come up for me. I want to.
I'm trying to think.
Want to
Here.
push the button.
Maybe just put one micro on and let it rally up to around that power swing low, and then I don't know. Just
Damn.
We should have taken the short that I said to take. That would have been a massive trade, man.
Yeah, that would be huge.
What a dummy, Brian.
Huge.
No,
Huge.
I pulled the trigger on that thing. Knew I should have pulled the trigger on that.
Yeah, this is just gonna freaking. It's a rug pull. Is it? Shit, I got in this crap.
Well, at least I got one in.
I'm so tempted to push the button here. Nope.
Yeah. Yep.
Nopey dopey.
New York City officials highlight community safety initiatives. Cool. Anti-fraud task force. Trump addresses the farmers at 12:30. Ooh. How close are we to 10?
We still got 3
9:57.
minutes.
All
Get a
right.
little Crable break at 3 minutes. I'll take it.
What was it?
Bless you.
Consumer sentiment.
Yeah. I don't know what that revise or something like that. I don't know what that is.
I mean, that could have been looked at a bear flag right there. Stop down a little bit more on that one. It's a massive M and Q trade there, bruh.
Was that the original one you took earlier?
Yeah. Daddy pretty happy with that one. I think I'm gonna look at this as a bear flag. Yeah, there we go. Target off. Did it. Did it. Did it. I was trying to look at that as a bear flag. Maybe to keep going down. It's another winning trade. Welcome. You're welcome, people. Sorry. I didn't give much. I did say that. I did say look at this as a bear flag. I mean, flat ski.
Bottom here.
Fine with me. I'd like to see a rally to get into a short. I mean, that is a big tick chart set up for long, isn't it? All right, I gotta change this account out now. You are done. I'm done with you today. Okay, no more playing around. No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more. All right. Oh, there's your news.
Ooh.
There's your news there, buddy. And that's a celibate kind of news.
Stay out of this crap, man. It's crazy.
No more Mr. Nice Guy. I don't know. I don't know.
Sell it.
I'm thinking that we probably should.
Could just break to the upside, though. That's the only problem. Getting a
Let's
buy
use this-
signal here.
Yeah, we gotta use this little structure. Well, we didn't get a good news event, so I'm not gonna I'm gonna let it do what it wants for a minute. Does it if it doesn't make a clean move, I always sit on the sidelines, right? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's not a clean move. So
There's the long.
the long signal was there.
Yeah, it was there. I should have took that. I had a feeling this thing was going to go here. I am missing everything today.
It's hard to take a long in this environment, dude. It's
Mm.
really hard to take a long in this.
Yeah, but
environment.
after that news and that pop down and it set up that big tick. I'm not saying this thing's going to reverse up or anything, but I think it was a pretty safe trade.
Oh no, I mean
now you
it's
now you're getting the short again.
again, it's what we always say. If the big tick chart sets up, take it. Yeah, that's why I'm going to let it get out of this little structure. Maybe we take the short below this little structure. I would try that again, or maybe like right here. Yes, already moved back down. Hey, I'll be right back.
Yeah, me too. I gotta use quick restroom break. Okay, 6C short. Well, let's see what you're looking at.
Do I? Do
I
I?
don't see a 6C short, but do you see a
What
6C short?
time?
Was that an older post?
Let's see,
9:58.
9:50.
No, that was just recently.
Well, I don't know if I'd base it on that one wick. Um, I think I'd like it
Nice little
a
trend line right
little
there.
bit
Break of
high.
that trend line, maybe.
Yeah,
I'd be
there
more
we go.
comfortable with it below VWAP
Or up here around the pivot.
or up there around the pivot. Yeah, that's good too. All right.
Possible MGC short coming up here.
It is getting up there. Yeah, if it gets up here around this 99, R1, right around here and start setting up.
Yeah, I had a. It's a little confusing. Not really a clean level down here. That's about the best that we can do. Yeah, let's get up there a little bit higher. I got a nice little level up there we could trade off of.
There's my chart trader there.
Okay. Well, that didn't. This is where we're supposed to be shorting the GC, but that wasn't a clean set. It wasn't
That's
very much.
short.
Yeah, that wasn't a very clean setup. You get a little bit of double top on 6E now. You could possibly look at that, but then that's a big ways to go to get that short. Garbage on the indices right now. Garbage. Yeah. All right, we're gonna have to get. I think I'm gonna start doing a micro at a time here on the short side. At the top of this little, every time it pops up, give me a little micro short, and then take it off. Like maybe somewhere in this area. Oh, change that. Change that account. So like.
Nothing, nothing.
Then take a little target at the bottom. At like
Oh,
490. Boom. There you go. That's easy.
What'd you do?
I took a micro at the top of that little range and took a target at the bottom of it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's a whole $28, man. Just leave me alone. Shh.
Big money. You're playing with the big dollars today.
Do that again. Let's do that again. Oh, I can't help but think this is short coming out of this. Yeah, I'll totally do that again now. I'm tempted to just go ahead and get a micro on short and then add back at the top of the range. And then take off most of the way down through it. That way I get a core position.
Gold is short. Yeah. MGC is short.
Yeah, okay, now it's setting up a little better setup. This is a big risk though. Whew.
It is a big
I
risk.
can only take.
It's $100 risk to make a little hundred. There it
Be in
goes.
it like right now, like right about.
Right about
Do we
now.
want to funk so brother? Or
Show
no?
brothers.
Do we funk so brother or what? Are you getting in? Okay.
No, I'm not getting it. It's too much of a risk.
Okay.
Because the true stop's got to be above that. I mean, it's going to work probably, but
That's what the chart says to do it.
yeah. All right. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh. Just missed my ad.
Boom. Targets. Come on.
Oh, I didn't press the button.
I'm
Dang
gonna.
it. Oh,
I
sorry.
think I'm
No,
gonna.
took-
I'm gonna tighten up the
That's a
stop
good-
here. I'm
that's a
not
good
gonna give
trade.
any of that
I
back.
think you got it. This thing's got some legs, man. That GC.
I don't know. Yeah, make you think it come back to the VWAP area?
Probably.
Let me move my target out of the way.
I think you're. I
See
think
what
you're
happens.
good down here around 59, 4, 5. I think you're good down
Okay.
there.
I'll set it at 62. That's a safe. The indices doing nothing. Yeah, see, that's why I set my stop tight because
Let's see here. We'll probably get another short coming up here in a minute. I'm trying to get, and let's see if maybe we can get an MES or MNQ on this one with 6 contracts. Now that we're out of this choppy chop chop, hoppy chop chop. Well, totally didn't get your target on the MGC. At least you got a target off. It was a good setup, and still, as long as it stays within that structure.
it was just a lot of
You got
risk because
another
I
shot.
wasn't comfortable with that.
All right, is this it? Is this where the short's going to come from? I mean, it is. Prior swing low,
Yep.
and there's definitely a level here because it wouldn't have chopped around so long.
Hmm.
There's something going on there.
Q, I think
Definitely
is
something going on here.
setting up for short.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I should have shorted that. That was the setup. I called that too. Damn it. Second one today. Second one. Mm. All right, maybe we get another chance at this. Yeah, I think we'll get another chance at this. Time is it? Not quite 10:30.
10-14.
Maybe we get a 10:30 reversal.
Oh wow. Putting in lower highs now, so
Oh man, all that you putting posts in and out. Got my tendonitis in my elbow flared up.
that's one of those takes forever to heal too. Oh man. Is it breaking up? Yes, it is. Damn, I couldn't take that.
All right, let's see. Is this well, I gotta reassess if we want to take longs yet.
I wanted to break right here. I should have. Too late now. I think I think it's reversal time here. We're making higher lows and got some strong momentum to the upside.
Let's see where the last stop on the train should be that we need to think about. Somewhere up here. I mean, again, that level that was established earlier this morning is really the level that says you can really think longs above that. I know it's a ways up, but I think we still got to be in anything below that. We still got to be in short frame of mind. I mean, there's several little mini levels established here on the way this morning. Like we're sitting on one right now, the ES, a little level there. Above that, around the S1, is probably a good area. And then obviously the area we should have shorted from after the rally. But if we see a setup and it breaks out, I'd be okay taking the breakout to the long side. We'd probably end up with targets pretty easy, but
Yeah.
it's got to be like a clean structure, and we don't have one of those yet. Uh oh. No, no, no. Ooh. What is going on here? I'm having data issues. What the hell? I mean, I'm hardwired into the interwebs.